Welcome to our detailed comparison of two powerful CPUs, the AMD Ryzen 95900X and the Intel Core i5-12600KF. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance in gaming and content creation, and overall value for money. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, understanding the strengths and weaknesses of these processors will help you make an informed decision. The AMD Ryzen 95900X features 12 cores and 24 threads, making it an exceptional choice for multi-threaded tasks such as video editing and 3D rendering. Its high boost clock speed of up to 4.8 GHz allows it to handle demanding applications with ease. On the other hand, the Intel Core i5-12600KF, with its 10 cores, 6 performance cores and 4 efficient cores, excels in gaming scenarios, offering a good balance of performance and efficiency. While it may not match the Ryzen in multi-core tasks, it provides excellent single-core performance, making it a solid choice for gamers. When it comes to price, the AMD Ryzen 95900X is positioned at a premium, retailing for around $569 United States dollars. This higher cost reflects its advanced capabilities and performance, making it suitable for high-end users. In contrast, the Intel Core i5-12600KF is priced at approximately $311 United States dollars, offering a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much performance. This makes the i5-12600KF an attractive choice for users looking for great value in their CPU purchase. The AMD Ryzen 95900X uses the AM4 socket, which, while still widely supported, is becoming outdated as newer technologies emerge. It supports DDR4-3200 RAM, which is standard but may not be future-proof. In contrast, the Intel Core i5-12600KF utilizes the newer LGA 1700 socket, providing support for both DDR4 and DDR5 RAM, allowing for greater flexibility and future upgrades. This modern socket design makes the i5-12600KF a more appealing choice for those looking to build a new system. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 95900X and Intel Core i5-12600KF have their unique strengths. The Ryzen 95900X is ideal for users who require maximum multi-core performance and are willing to invest in a premium product. Meanwhile, the i5-12600KF offers excellent value and efficiency, making it perfect for gamers and general users. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more